Well, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are watching this is on YouTube. Probably. Well, it's also on Twitch. What I wanted to talk about today, I had a realization yesterday that it occurred to me when I was playing ranked with Lucas, and I think it could be beneficial to a lot of people. So I kind of wanted to talk about it on stream, you know? So I'm kind of bummed because my Outplayed didn't record my games last night. Outplayed is a program that I use. It records like my highlights and stuff, but it didn't record the game that I was playing last night specifically where I had this realization. But I've been playing a lot of games recently, and they haven't been going too hot. They have not been going too hot. Let me just pull up my match history, I guess. I've been playing a lot of games recently, and they haven't been going so hot. I lost my diamond on stream last stream, but I was able to reclaim it today. I won 3 in a row. But aside from that, it's been like a lot of losses going on. You see there's a lot of DM because I'm just trying to get my aim back. But I started to come to the realization that I'm not very good at this game. That's not true. I'm pretty decent at the game. But if you watch me play, I don't look that good. I whiff a lot of shots. Let me go to my Outplayed, and I'm going to show you this as one clip just to give you an idea, right? I don't think that this is a frequent occurrence for me. However, it is an occurrence that happens, and I think that it's okay to mention that. Where is it? Is it this Yoru game on Icebox right here? Is it this one? I think, not right there. Not right here. Where is it? This is so loud. I was on offense. Right here? Yeah, it's right here. So I'm running in here, right? I'm pinging the Sage. This is just to give you reference of like how bad I can suck sometimes. I don't think this is any different than anyone else, but I end up pushing out here. This guy peeks me. It would have been cool if I killed that guy, but like, no, I get like the one tap on the Sage, right? Like my crosshair placement is all right. Like I do get kills sometimes, but every now and then I just whiff really hard because I'm human. But I was like, man, you never get to see other people do this. You never get to see other people whiff shots like this as frequently when you're climbing in ranks. It's just kind of expected that you're gonna land all of the easy shots, and I don't always. This is the one I was talking about actually. Look at this Reyna, 24 kills. You know, like everybody else, I had 7 kills this game, and you might think I was useless because of that. But I clutched out 3 or 4 rounds throughout this game alone just by being a bitch. And that's what I wanted to share with you. If you ever see those players in Diamond and you're like, why is this guy Diamond and I'm not? This would probably be part of the reason. I will sit back and I will play post plant. I will save 2 flashes, or I'll have 2 flashes anyway after we enter the site, and I will use both of those flashes when those people go to tap the bomb. I'll do it. If you're gonna go tap the bomb, I'm gonna stop you. I'm gonna use my concussion. I'm gonna use my flashes. I'm gonna use my mollies. I'm gonna use my lineups and stuff like that. I'm gonna shut that down. I'm not gonna push their spawn. I'm not gonna go die. I'm not gonna go looking for the last player in a 3v2 or whatever, or a 3v1, and then just get 3v1 where we lose those rounds. I am always the staple of the team that will sit back and I will play like a bitch and I will win us that round, okay? Play is so bad. It's so bad on my part. But it helped my teammate win. It helped my teammate win, dude. I'm sitting back on site. I'm just trying to help out my homie. I see my homie over here. He's doing fine. I'm back here on site. I see that I think he got flashed, so I'm going to flash long for him because we're about to get pushed from hookah, right? So I throw my flash. That's a solid flash. I think that gets him a kill here. He's going to peek. He kills the Phoenix. I didn't do shit there. That guy had good aim. I just flashed the target for him. But now I got to pull back on site because I'm getting pushed. What do? I'm going to flash again. I could just peek these guys. I could just swing out, try to challenge them, ego peek them, you know, like, oh, let's give it a shot. No, I'm going to flash it. I'm going to use my utility. I'm going to cover the site. I throw the flash. It doesn't even matter that I am the worst player in existence. I'm going to miss every shot on this Brimstone here. Worst freaking play ever. I'm not playing well recently. Don't know why. I can't land a single shot to save my life. But I can throw flashbangs. So that's all that matters. Now this Rain is going to kill the guy. I peek him. I should also kill him there. But I end up going down. I don't know. I baited for her pretty decently. I mean, I threw out some flashes. She landed some shots. You know, I stayed alive. I did my job. I mean, like, I was doing okay. I really should have killed that Brimstone. But, you know, like, I don't know. Apparently, you can hit Diamond doing this. So I'm just waiting for the day. I am just waiting for the day where I can get to Immortal with garbage aim, and I can queue into a game with Steel. And Steel can be like, How the fuck did this guy get to him? I'm just waiting for the day that I get yelled at by Steel in matchmaking, and then I'll know I've made it, guys. I'll know the game's rigged. The game's rigged. Matchmaking sucks, man. I just want to be yelled at by Steel. That's all I want to do. Did she ace? She did end up acing this round. Yeah, she did end up acing. Mikasa killed you? Are you a Titan? I don't even know who Mikasa is. Is that an anime reference? Dude, this is the worst shot in the history. I just missed every shot on him. That's the whole rant, though. If you're ever sitting there wondering, how are these guys get to diamond? There's things that they're probably doing that you just don't see, dude. Maybe they're playing like a bitch. Maybe they're using their utility all right. This entire game isn't gunplay. I'm not saying that kills aren't everything. I had 9 assists. That's okay, right? But, like, I had 7 kills. Realistically speaking, if I was playing well this game, I should have at minimum 14, 15 kills. Like, I should be doing a lot better than I was this game. I was just not landing shots. And I don't think that I deserve to get more rating because we won. I didn't do more than this Reyna. This Reyna fucking carried this game, dude. I clutched out a few rounds, but like I don't think that I don't think I was playing well this game. I think we won it, which is cool. I gained rating, which is cool. I hit my diamond, which is cool. But I don't think that it matters that much. You can easily drop 15 kills on a support character. It doesn't matter who you're playing. If you're playing well, you can drop 15 kills. And then, like, the difference between 15 and 20 kills is not going to be that crazy in rating. Maybe you get 1 or 2 extra rating points. Play like a bitch, dude. People might make fun of you for it. If you're lurking or you're flanking and it's working, play like a bitch. Get the job done. Don't ego peak everything. People are going to call you a bitch. That's okay. Ain't nothing wrong with it. You're climbing. They're not. The more radiant KD isn't even taken into consideration. Yeah, because I guess at that point it's shown that like you can or like the win's just the most important thing. But I think in lower ranks, if you truly believe you're an immortal player, you should easily be able to drop 20 against golds. Like there's no reason that you can't drop 20 against golds. What do you consider a good rank? I think like plat and above is pretty decent. But I mean, like a good rank is relative, right? If you're brand new to the game, like you just got placed, getting placed in silver is a good rank. If you've only been playing the game for like a week or like a month, getting to gold, that's like pretty good. I think it was this round. No, it's not this round. Fuck, it's not this round. What round was it? It is this game though. Was it this one? No. Was it this one? It was this one. Check out this round, guys. This one's not really relevant to what I was saying. I just think this was a fun round and I wanted to show it. This had nothing to do with playing time. This is just me panicking. This is Matt. This is Haven. I get the kill onto the Reyna. I pull back onto site. I actually have like... This is just one of those situations where you got Valoranted all over, right? Like... Valorant is a game where sometimes you can do the right thing and it just doesn't work out, right? Sometimes some dude just lands his shots. He just lands his shots and he kills you, right? And it's just like, that's what's kind of beautiful about this game. There's a right decision and a wrong decision frequently, but sometimes a miracle just happens and you just win. You just win the round. You're like, dope. It's like they swung me together. They both challenged me at the same time. I guess maybe it could have been like a little bit closer. Maybe one of them had to wide swing here like faster, but he tried to wide swing. He did. I just ended up killing them both. Oh man, this feels bad, man. But it's so cool in the game. It's just like you can have those situations where you just Valorant all over the guy. You just win the game. You just win the game. There's a fair share of cheaters a week ago. A few ranks ranked was unplayable. It was unplayable. I haven't really noticed any cheaters. Actually, I don't know. I've ran into some people who maybe seem like they're cheating. I landed a nasty shot here too. I think that it's clips like this that like make me... So a lot of people are like really insecure about being called trash and stuff. I actually don't care if people call me trash. I ban them because I don't like to hear it. But like, if somebody's gonna sit in my Twitch chat and just like call me trash, obviously I'm just gonna ban them because it's not something I want to listen to. But it doesn't really bother me because I know that, like, I know what I'm capable of, right? I can call myself garbage all I want, but like when other people come in and they're like, haha, you're garbage, I'm just like, go fuck yourself, kid. Because the reason that I can call myself garbage is because I know that I'm not actually garbage. I know that there's things that I'm good at, and there's times where I've been very good, and there's times where I struggle a little bit, right? I'm human. I'm still learning the game. I'm still getting better. I'm relatively new to FPS in terms of like my years played. This is like the first year I've really put a lot of time into FPS. No, I just know that I'm improving. But when I land clips like this, I'm like, dude, that's pretty sick.
Last player standing.
I'm peeking right here. I end up killing her. That wasn't the one I'm talking about. I get a good shot here. I'm pretty happy with it.
You will 30 seconds left.
It's this shot right here. I jump out a window. I was like, that was a pretty decent shot, you know? Maybe I'm not terrible. You know, like, it's stuff like that where I'm like, okay, maybe I'm not the worst player in the world. I'll go back here. I guess I have a double kill. I don't know what happens here, but I guess I can find out. Oh, yeah, I'm just running at him with a Spectre, dude. Look away from the flash. Pick up the kill. Easy double, you know? Like, I'm not always terrible at the game. I guess that clip wasn't, like, terribly impressive, but what happens here? Do I get a 3K? Yeah. You know, just killing people. Just having a good game. You ever flow with Jet and ding somebody through a smoke? Not really. It's clips like, it's just going through my clips and reminding myself that, like, yeah, like, I don't know, my aim sucks today and my game sucked yesterday, and it just hasn't been good like the last few days, but like, it'll come back to me. And when it does, I'm like a decent player. I'm half decent. I'm not terrible. I'm not always good, but you know, like, I think it'll take time. Consistency comes with time. It's okay to have a few bad days. There's nothing wrong with that. So if you flash an enemy in your team and get the kill while they're flashed, is that an assist? I don't think so. I don't think it is. What software is that for clips? It's called Outplayed. It's kind of cool. I will draw your Twitch username. Oh, hell yeah. I'll draw it. Give me a second, though. Anyway, though, that was my rant. If you guys enjoyed it, if you maybe gained some sort of insight, you don't need to be a crazy fragger. You guys have seen all of my bad clips. I show them to you because I think they exist, and I think they're what makes us human. But I honestly believe if you play like a bitch just a little bit more, you're gonna win more games. There's people who are in Diamond who really shouldn't be in Diamond. I could be one of them. I literally could. You could watch me play. Maybe you can make the verdict call on that. But no, it's just yeah. Play safer. Don't make stupid mistakes. That's about it. It's up to King. He increases brain cell count. I don't know if that's true, Chris, but I appreciate you guys. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the cool things. Check us out on Twitch or live frequently.